Hey guys, Gina here and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing something pretty crazy in the couponing world, and I was actually inspired to do this by Living Rich with Coupons. This channel did this last year, but I am donating my whole stockpile. Yes, you heard me right. So I am kicking off a social media campaign that I am starting, and this is for Coupons for Hope. It is the charity that I started back in Virginia, and the former name of it was Loudoun Coupons for Hope because we were based in Loudoun County, Virginia, but I have moved to the West Coast, so now it's just going to be Coupons for Hope. So Coupons for Hope will be doing a Touch a Life campaign this holiday season. So I am donating my whole entire stockpile because even just donating body wash, shampoo, whatever it is, donating something to someone else is really going to change a life for someone else. So I found a local woman here in my city, and she is collecting donations for an abused women's shelter. And she's also asking for books, and she's also asking for various clothing items. So I went ahead and went through all the kids' books, and I have a bunch of books that I'm going to be donating to her. And on top of that, I'm going to go ahead and just donate my entire stockpile of personal care items. So I have tons of body washes, I have tons of razors, toothpaste, feminine care, makeup, you name it, I am just going to get rid of it. So the reason why I am getting rid of it is because there's always going to be a deal. So this holiday season, one of the things that I'm doing is I decided just to go ahead and donate my whole entire stockpile. So I'm going to be loading everything up in my car, driving it to the drop-off location. So to some people, it may just be shampoo and body wash, but that shampoo and body wash is going to change someone else's day. It's possibly even going to change their life. So I am really excited that couponing is giving me the ability to be able to give back in this sense. So I want to go ahead and challenge all of you this holiday season just to go and do something for someone else. Give something to someone else. Maybe it's money, maybe it's a good, maybe you want to give a service. I don't care what you do. I just want you to do something for someone else. So if you would like to participate in this social media campaign with me, then all you need to do is just share a photo. Just use the hashtag #TouchALifeCFH so that I can go ahead and see everything that you guys are doing. My goal is just to spread this campaign as far as it can go. So I challenge you guys this holiday season just to go out there and touch someone else's life. So don't forget to use the hashtag #TouchALifeCFH so we can see all of the amazing things you guys are doing. So now I'm going to go and load up my car with my entire stockpile. So, truth be told, all of these body washes have literally been in my garage for quite some time now. So I don't sell my stockpile, so, you know, there's no real reason for me to have all this body wash in my garage, especially since I live in Southern California. Like, we don't have extreme weather, we don't have any of that. So I'm just keeping what my husband and I need. I'm keeping doubles of everything. So double toothpaste, double mouthwash, double body wash, shampoo, etc. So I have a little bit for us, but the majority of everything is going to someone else. So this is everything in my car. I have a box full of body wash. I have bags full of body wash, shampoo, conditioner, laundry soap. All of this is going to be donated to then be shared to the abused women's shelter here in Orange County, and the woman is also setting up like blessing bags and everything. So it's all going to be gone. We challenge you guys to do something for someone else, whether you donate a service, donate a good, donate money, just do something for someone else, because it is always good to not be the receiver.
That's good.
Yeah, so I literally...
Giving is better than receiving.
I just went and donated my whole entire stockpile. The Schweppe family challenges you guys, so share your photos, send us an email, let us know what you are doing to change someone's life this holiday season. We want to know about it.